Alright, I'm here with another layout. This is my friend's daughter up in Minnesota, and she is a photographer, and she took these amazing pictures of her daughter with the snowman. I could not resist. I stole them off of Facebook. And then when all this COVID-19 stuff started, we were chatting on Facebook Messenger, and I had told her I did that, and I took pictures. I'm like, you can have them if you want them. Otherwise, I'm going to add them to my own scrapbook. She's like, oh, they're gorgeous. I'll take them. So I'm going to send them to her. So my background is Hip Kid Club's Make-A-Wish called White Christmas. I liked this background because it looks like snow falling. And then I'm using a doily from my stash. And this doily was white, and I took my acrylic, it's like a blue metallic, and I just painted several the different colors that I had of the metallic paint. So I didn't have just white. And so I used a vellum photo mat, which is from American Crafts, came in the kit. And that snowman and a few of the others are the chipboard stickers from Great Paper's Snowflake. And he likes to get into my, see, he's chewing on the package. Like, go ahead for it. And that's my title. So I don't do too much with this one. Went together quite quickly. My Winter Wonderland is American Crafts Chill Stickers. They're from the phrase stickers. And now it's time to glue. And of course he has to lay on my stuff. He's getting fat. So I'm like, working around him. As usual. So he goes and lays just on the other side, which is helpful. I have so much journaling to do. It's not even funny. Once everything's finalized and we get moved, I'm gonna work on that. I'm working on my last 3 weeks of lessons, so I don't have to even worry about it. I'm just done. I can just spend my days grading papers and then not stress about it. So anyway, once I get my title down, that's going to complete my layout. And when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.